Righty ho. Can't see, I've got to go behind the camera. There we go. Right, as I said earlier, the flails have come. So I made up all the pins and everything whenever. So what I'm going to do is these will be the attachment points. So I'm going to put the pin in, put a washer in, flail, washer, and then the other side. Centre it up, and then spot weld it, and then I can take the washers out because I don't need those. So that's I'll get the welder going. Put some anti-spatter down. Oh, right. Put a glove on. A bit fed up of burning my hand. Well, try out putting the gas on, Nigel. Tonka toy. I'll grind that one off now. That sounds better, doesn't it? We'll pull that one off and regrind it. See? You don't like to weld when you do that. Sounds better. I'll tap that one round. I didn't do that very even, did I? Right, so that's the plan. Weld them all in, and I'll show you when I'm back. Cheers for now. Alright, just going to the last load of welds on these brackets. few more at this end now. I think they'll be coming off any time soon. That whole bar's a bit warm now, to say the least. Oh, moved. Behave yourself. Those funny flashes are from the little bits of galvanised perhaps that I didn't get off, because it was a galvanised scaffold tube, and I tried to scrape as much of it off as I could, but obviously I've missed a few bits. Horrible, horrible stuff to weld. Right, last two I think. Well, last four, last two lots of brackets. Right, what's that? Oh no, my other welder wouldn't cope with all that in one go. Right, I'll give it a bit of a clean up and we'll try everything back in the machine. Cheers for now. Okie doke, right, that's how they're all going to go. There you go, that's the idea. Right, I'll what have I got to work out now? The belts. I've got to figure out what's the right belts now. So that's the next job. Right, for now, that's about it. And I think the next video should hopefully be testing, but we'll see. Right, cheers for now.